Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Hi, my name is Ronnie, and today we're going to have an unboxing. So this unboxing came off of my Amazon wish list. And I know the guy who sent these items. His name is Fred. And he wants me to have a giveaway after I unbox it. So, let's get to the unboxing. First, I received this pack, 5-pack of scissors. Initially, I thought they were the teeny tiny small ones that you could use with yarn, but instead they're these big ones. So I will be giving these away in giveaways. The next item is this Harry Potter crochet wizardry. It's a book. It's got lots of awesome patterns in it. I think whoever wins this will love it greatly. Next, I have a couple of kits. I have this kit. Looks like it comes with everything to make several. There's 12 patterns in here. So it comes with the yarn, of course. It looks like it's got a needle in it. I'm not going to open it. Everything's so nice and neat in here, so I'm just going to leave it. Or I just don't want to open it. There's a book in here. I'm pretty sure there's stuffing down in here. My daughter's a little jealous that I'm giving this away because she's into Baby Yoda right now. And there's a pattern in here for Baby Yoda. So she's a little jealous. I would love to have this next kit. This is a Harry Potter kit. And it comes with a lot of awesome patterns. There is 14 projects in here. And it too comes with everything. Oh, it also comes with a crochet hook. Maybe I should open it. No, I won't open it. But the crochet hook is Harry's wand, it looks like. One of you is going to have an awesome prize here. I think I might have to order this one for myself. Next is this. I can take out of the package. This is a big cone of cotton yarn. It's Premier Home cotton yarn. And the colorway is rainbow. It's a medium 4-weight. "14 ounces, 400 grams, 640 meters, and 700 yards. You can make a few kitchen items with this. Or anything else you want to use cotton on. And there's one more. We have a 3-pack of this yarn. This looks like it's, I'm not going to take it out of the package either. It's Unforgettable yarn. There's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 246 meters, 270 yards. And there's 3 in this package. Let's see. This is also for medium weight. And the colorway is Red Sea. This is gorgeous. So what I'd like to do with each just a minute here. With each one of these giveaways, I would like to ship a pair of scissors in each giveaway. Today we're going to have 5 winners. I'm so excited. But this is going to be also a short giveaway. I'll explain in the rules, and here are the rules. It is for the USA only. It is open from today, June 11th, and will end on June 21st. Sometime June 21st after 7 p.m. my time, I will pick the winners. Which then you will have 3 days to email me, or you forfeit your winnings and I'll pick a new winner. You must be 18 years or older to enter this giveaway. This is not affiliated with anybody other than Fred. Fred bought all the yarn, and I'm having the giveaway. Or not all the yarn, all the items. In this giveaway, you need to answer a question, and this is your question. Which giveaway do you want? Do you want like I said, I was going to have 5 giveaways. So, you can enter, in your comment, you can enter 1 giveaway or all 5 giveaways. And I'll have words for each giveaway so you know which one you can enter for. So this one here, the word for it will be Red Sea. The name of the colorway on this yarn is Red Sea. So that's the word I'm going to put to see how many winners for it. This one, since how it's cotton yarn, we're just going to say cotton. So if you want to be entered to win the cotton, write in your comment cotton. For this one, we're going to put Potter Book. For this one, let's make it Potter Kit. And for this one, let's say Star Wars. So, you can either write one giveaway down, or you can write all 5 giveaways. But the special word for each one you have to have in your comment, or you will not win if your name is picked. If you yet, you do have to be a subscriber of my channel. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please do so. Hit the notification bell and like this video. I think that's all, but I'm not quite sure. But I'll leave everything, all the rules, in the description area, so check them out, because everything that I've mentioned in this, in this video, and in anything that I have forgotten, will be in the description area. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, bye.